Welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you how to replace your tire. You can see this tire has been worn out quite a lot and it's time for changing. Let me show you how to do it. First of all, you want to put your chain in your small sprocket at the back for ease of removal. Taking off the back wheel. As easy as that. Then you want to remove the air from your tire. Then you want to get a tire off the bead. Just work all the way around. Make sure it's nice and off the bead. Then you want to grab your tire levers. Just start at one point. Just work it all across. Two tire levers makes it easier. Okay, just work in a place that can handle some mess, as the sealant is going to leak out. Then, as soon as you've got the tire over the rim, just want to work your way across, getting it nice and loose. And you just want to work it across all the way. As soon as you're back, the other side, just clip it over. All the way around. Then your rim just pops off the tire. Now we're going to clean the rim and get everything ready for the new tire. Okay, so just making sure the rim is nice and clean from the previous sealant. We're removing the tubeless valve. As this is a training wheel, we're going to replace it with a tube. Okay, so we're grabbing our new tire. One thing to make sure, there's an arrow indicating on the rotation. So we're making sure the rotation fits then. And we just start our way working around, putting the tire inside the rim. Okay, so we're making sure the tire is inside the one side of the rim. Then we grab our tube. One nice trick is blow a little bit of air in the tube. Just like that, just to make installation a little bit easier. Then we work our way to the valve opening, place in the valve. Just start working the tube all the way around. Most important part is to make sure that the tube is inside the tire and that we don't get any snake bites when we inflate the tire. Okay, so we're putting in the valve nut. Make sure the valve stays in place. Just loosely tightening it. Then we start working the other side of the tire, also in the rim. Making sure, as we do, that the tube stays inside the tire and that there's no tube between the tire and the rim. Then we just work our way all the way around everywhere, just making extra sure that the tube stays inside the tire and does not go at the rim. Okay, another nice trick is to use some sunlight liquid, dishwashing liquid, and just put it all across the bead just to help with the sealing process. And the next step is just to inflate the tire, making sure we're sealing the bead. So that nice pop is exactly what you want to hear. Just going around, making sure the bead is on the way, all the way around, seated properly. Okay, for you newbies out there, seating the bead basically means that threaded part, you want that to sit nice and flush with the rim all the way around, making sure that the bead is sitting on the rim and there's no areas where the bead goes inside the rim, and as well as no areas where the bead goes outside the rim. So just to show you on this extra toe as well, there you can clearly see a line. So that's your bead line or your sealing line, and that is what you want the rim and the tire to connect on that line. Then you know the seal is sufficient and that your tire is sitting on your rim and that your tire is balanced. Okay, then we just want to make sure that the nut is finger tight. Then it's time to reinstall our tire. Okay, and there our new tire is installed and ready for a ride. Thank you for watching this video. Like it, subscribe for more content, and see you in the next video.